Welcome to our art channel. Today we will talk about the painting called Noisy, a young woman of the Kansei period with a purring cat, by the famous painter, Tsukioka Yoshitoshi, created within the year 1888 to 1889. Tsukioka Yoshitoshi was a painter and print designer. He was also a pupil of the great Utagawa Kuniyoshi. Check his works in our archive. In the last years of the Edo period, Yoshitoshi created many prints of warriors, beauties, and actors, including some notable works in the sadistic, blood-drenched taste then prevalent. During 1872 and 1873, he suffered from a mental illness that would trouble him again in his last years. He was also influenced by the style of Kikuchi Yosai, combining this with elements derived from European art into a personal idiom and illustrating mainly historical subjects. Starting in 1874, he created illustrations for color woodblock newspapers, and an ever-increasing number of illustrations for novels. The Kansei period in Japan, mentioned in the work's title, started in January 1789 and ended in February 1801. I hope you have learned something else today. A hug and long live art.